Hi guys, Muaz here. Welcome to K2M Unboxing and Reviews. Today, I don't know what we have. Let's see what we have. Oh wow, look, we have a Tesla Cybertruck. Okay, the front door's open and the back door's open too. The back of the trunk opens like this. And it has a quad bike. And it has a spring. And when you put this back, it goes. And you can put this back too. You can put this back. At the front of the Cybertruck, it opens. In the back, it has lights. We're gonna turn on the lights. The lights are here, the front and the back. And it's heavy and it's super shiny and smooth. And this is plastic. You can take this off. Wow, super duper clean and smooth. And look, when I do this, it goes. And this one you can do this. Thank you for watching this video. Please like our channel, subscribe to our channel, ring the bell icon. Bye.